today is Haitian Flag Day. We are celebrating Haitian Heritage Cultural Month. Haitian American Art Netwok and Caribbean American Passport Connect put together with Gigi Art Marketing Coordination, directed by Art Netwok, and we got together to do this celebration. It was a VIP reception where